Are you ignoring the critical signs your body is screaming for help? Thiamine, or vitamin B1, is a powerhouse nutrient essential for maintaining your energy levels and overall health. Yet many overlook its significance until deficiency symptoms wreak havoc. From chronic fatigue to neurological impairments, the signs of thiamine deficiency can subtly creep up, leading to severe health complications. Don't wait for symptoms to escalate. Educate yourself on the 8 key signs of thiamine deficiency now and take action to replenish this vital nutrient. Alarmingly, research shows that up to 80% of people with chronic conditions may suffer from low thiamine levels. Stick around until the end of the video for some game-changing tips on boosting your vitamin B1 levels. You won't want to miss out on these essential health hacks. Before we dive into the crucial tips for boosting your vitamin B1 levels, let's first explore the telltale signs that indicate you might be suffering from a thiamine deficiency. Here are 8 main symptoms of thiamine, vitamin B1, deficiency. Fatigue, persistent tiredness and lack of energy even after resting. Weakness, general muscle weakness and difficulty performing everyday tasks. Nerve damage, tingling, numbness, or burning sensations in the extremities, often indicative of peripheral neuropathy. Memory problems, difficulty in concentrating and confusion, which can sometimes lead to more severe memory issues. Heart issues, rapid heartbeat and low blood pressure, which can escalate to congestive heart failure if untreated. Weight loss, unintentional weight loss and anorexia due to disrupted metabolic processes. Gastrointestinal problems, nausea, abdominal pain, and constipation, as thiamine plays a crucial role in muscle tone of the intestines. Emotional disturbances, changes in mood, such as increased irritability and depression. These symptoms highlight the essential role of thiamine in the body and underline the importance of maintaining adequate levels of this vital nutrient. Thiamine, also known as vitamin B1, is a crucial water-soluble vitamin that plays a vital role in energy metabolism by helping convert nutrients into energy. It is naturally found in a variety of foods including whole grains, legumes, some meats, and fish, ensuring your body's systems function optimally. Now that we understand the importance of thiamine, let's take a look at 10 nourishing foods that are rich in vitamin B1 to help you boost your levels and maintain optimal health. Here are 10 foods that are great sources of vitamin B1, thiamine, to help boost your levels. Whole grains, such as brown rice, oatmeal, and whole wheat bread. Legumes, including black beans, lentils, and chickpeas. Pork, particularly lean cuts like tenderloin. Sunflower seeds, a handful can make a nutrient-dense snack. Asparagus, one of the best vegetable sources of thiamine. Trout. This fish is not only high in thiamine but also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Oranges. Fresh orange juice or whole oranges provide a good dose of thiamine. Yeast. Nutritional yeast or brewer's yeast can be sprinkled on various dishes for a flavor boost and a burst of B1. Green peas are another excellent food high in vitamin B1, thiamine. They're versatile in cooking and can be added to salads, soups, and side dishes to enhance your thiamine intake. Beef liver, extremely rich in thiamine as well as other essential vitamins and minerals. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help ensure adequate intake of thiamine, supporting energy production and overall vitality. Thanks for tuning in to learn about the signs of thiamine deficiency and how to boost your vitamin B1 levels with nutrient-rich foods. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and updates. Have you experienced any of these symptoms, or do you have favorite thiamine-rich recipes to share? Leave a comment below, we'd love to hear from you. Stay healthy, and see you in the next video.